Turn the red handle to switch the battery power on or off. To swing the boom to the right side, push the operating lever to the right. Push the operating lever to the left to move the boom in that direction. Move the left control lever to the right to rotate the cabin in that direction. Move the left control lever to the left to rotate cabin to the left. Use right control lever to move the boom down and up. Use the right lever buttons to operate the hydraulic thumb clamp. Pushing the lever forward lifts the forearm. Pushing the lever backward lowers the forearm. Pushing the operating lever left and right can control the up and down movement of the excavator bucket. Use right small lever to raise or lower your front blade. Push both drive levers forward to move ahead and pull them back to reverse. Push the lever outward to widen the tracks. Pull the lever inward to narrow the tracks.